So a lot of you have seen the basement where I've been setting up the place for my plasma table, and I was going to do a review on this excavator, and it's like, why do you even have an excavator that you rented? So here's why. So when I first got this house, this wall had this lovely crack that ran the length of the wall because the soil pressure was causing the wall to bow in outward. So first I rented a small excavator and dug out behind the wall, and then I engineered this bracing system, which is DIY for myself because I'm not going to pay the foundation service for the little wall anchor band-aids. I wanted to fix it properly, and this is my version of properly. So I calculated based on what I thought the forces on the wall were, how big a C-channel I would need. So don't try this at home unless you're confident in your maths. So I got 6-inch C-channel, and it's about 1/4 inch thick. And to straighten the wall, I used these anchors and tightened them in sequence 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, all the way from the sides of the wall inward to pull the wall straight. And then once the wall was straight, I put in the anchors into the slab and lag bolted them into the floor joist. So I've got the excavator today. After grading it, I got the geotextile cloth to line my trench and backfill it with gravel. So hopefully I have enough gravel. Hopefully I have enough perforated pipe. It's a big long project, lots to think. Okay, so yeah, so that's why I have the excavator. So let's go check out the excavator. This is our John Deere 26G from the Robin Rents with a thumb and a 24-inch bucket. So we're going to see how well this helps me out with my 25 tons of gravel that I'm putting behind this retaining wall and then putting my yard back. So let's get started with this bad boy and see what it do. Now here's my nice big hole, which I'm going to try to fill with gravel and gravel with a John Deere D27. Now I've graded the small trench here for the French drain, so I'm going to line this with the geotextile, lay a base layer of gravel, and then put in a 6-inch perforated corrugated pipe here. And I've already put the foundation coating, the jet coat from the Rural King, on the wall, and then fill it with gravel, burrito wrap it with the fabric, and then put a little bit of soil back on top for the yard. So after digging, grading, bracing, straightening, waterproofing, we're ready for the French drain and to put the yard back. So I estimate somewhere between 8 and 14 hours of straight work, so we'll see how much I get done today. So we got commercial grade landscape fabric level 4. Says it's good for soil erosion, landscapes, gardens, hardscapes. So I think that includes French drains. I don't know, I'm sure the internet will tell me if I'm wrong. 6 foot by 100 foot rolls. I got 2 of them, like 80 bucks a piece. Should be enough to line my trench. And then we have the 6 foot diameter, 100 foot perforated pipe. And I think what I'm gonna do is lay it out. And it has these little slits in it for water to get into and then run out of the drain. But once I get it positioned, I think I'm gonna go and pop a bunch of holes in the top of the pipe so water can enter the pipe better. That's just a theory. Sure, it works that way. Holes let things in, so that's what we're gonna do. So now that we have our fabric cut, let's line the trench. After a ton of work, we got the geotextile pipe laid. Try to get the same perspective that I had before. So yeah, there we go. Put the yard back.